Okay, so it is exactly 12 noon on Thursday. It is vacation, so we don't have school. And my sister is still sleeping. I have been up since 7, and she is still sleeping. That says a lot. So what I'm going to do is, I decided instead of going inside and saying, yo, hey, you gotta wake up. It's fucking noon. Decided what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring my laptop into her room quietly, and then from this room I'm going to hit play, and it's going to blast Nicki Minaj's "You a Stupid Hoe," or "Stupid Hoe," but it's, you know, "You a Stupid Hoe, Stupid." Oh, fuck shit. So we're going to blast that song. And any of you who say otherwise, you a stupid hoe. You see what I did there? Okay. So, alright, doing that little thing that I wanted to do. Please don't do that. Great. It's all white and shit now. Great. I love it when plans go wrong. The Adobe Flash plugin has crashed. What the fuck does that mean? Okay, so I got it back up to the part where it was supposed to be on. And I had to listen to the same stupid lyrics again. So, let's see if we can get this in there quietly. Okay, change of plans. I'm just gonna go charging in. Rise and shine! Rise and shine! It's the afternoon. Wake up. She's completely dead. Hey, come on. Come on. You can do it. Ah. You see this? Okay. I see how we're gonna play. You see this shit that she's giving me here? Wake up. Wake up right now. Don't make me play another Nicki Minaj song. And I will. This is a long song. It makes your ears and mind bleed. So okay, so that didn't work. We're gonna have to try something else. Are you awake yet? Are you awake? Are you awake? Are you blockading the door and then going back to sleep? Because it won't work. I have a laser gun. I'm gonna melt the doorknob off. Bzzz. Oh my god, it glows. That's cool. Looks like a glowing gem. I think I just made a fascinating discovery for science. But no, seriously, are you going back to sleep? It's noon. You can't dream about shit forever. I don't know what shit you even dream about. I got a laser gun. Don't make me bzzz. Yeah, the lights are off. She blockaded the door. Yeah, she like moved her bed to the... You can't stay in there forever. I'll find a way in. Don't think I won't. I probably can't. That's a really tough bed. So, okay. Nicki Minaj didn't work. The gun didn't work. It's been exactly 7 minutes. Someone tells me nothing's gonna work. So... this is Chris. Signing off, I guess. With another... not another, a first... failed experiment. To getting my sister out of bed. I don't know how to make proper endings. I lost a little bit of my manlyhood just now. Ah yes, I almost forgot. Look at that wonderful dislike bar. No, it's okay. Here, allow me. Victory.